What is going on, guys? Welcome to my Kartra versus ClickFunnels review video. Today we'll be comparing both Kartra and ClickFunnels right here. So that we can explain the difference between Kartra and ClickFunnels, we're going to be comparing the tools and their sales funnel builders with each other, and really explaining what both tools are in a lot of detail. So if you're interested in learning more about Kartra and ClickFunnels, make sure to watch this video till the end to get all the information you need to make an informed decision on whether or not Kartra or ClickFunnels is going to be right for your business. Now I'm going to leave a couple links down below where you can get a trial of Kartra or ClickFunnels, so you can really test it out, either one of the softwares or even both. You really get like a first-hand feel of the tools. So you can always do that after watching this video if you want. So with that being said, let's begin. So to start off the comparison video between ClickFunnels versus Kartra, I want to go over to PowerPoint and explain what both of the tools are. So Kartra is pretty much a collection of essential business tools that you need to run an online business. Alright, so it's marketed as an all-in-one solution where you manage all these different tools in a single account. So the tools inside of Kartra include having your own shopping cart system. They have their own email marketing autoresponder and completely free management system sales funnel builder. We can build a landing pages webinar for cell phones, etc. The Kartra video awakens most videos. Kartra help desk includes web hosting and split testing. Now if we go over here to ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels is an online sales funnel builder that helps businesses market, sell and deliver their products online, without having to hire or rely on a tech team. So ClickFunnels tools include email marketing, which is Actionetics. They have their own completely full metro system as well with Backpack. They have their own sales line which we can build out landing pages, webinars, sales funnels, etc. You can build membership sites as well. They have the web hosting, split testing, and they have their own email integrations as well. We can integrate with the Weber or GetResponse and all these other popular email marketing tools as well. Alright, so now that I've gone through both ClickFunnels and Kartra, let's go ahead and compare both of the interfaces to compare their drag and drop page editors. So over in Kartra, if we go to my pages, we can go ahead and check out their templates in their page editor. So let's go ahead and click on my page right here, and as you can see we have a variety of templates to pick and choose from squeeze pages, thank you pages, video sale pages, long sales pages, coming soon pages, you get the picture. If we go over here and compare these with ClickFunnels, we can do the same thing, so we can collect emails, sell our products, host a webinar, and all because you just choose one of these. And then once we configure all this, we can go over here, and we'll be taken to this page here, where we can choose from a variety of different email templates. Here we can choose from sale pages, product launches, order forms, one-click upsells, webinars, membership sites. You get the big picture as well. So there's also different templates and squeeze pages. You can choose right off the bat instead of ClickFunnels in the same variety. So let's go ahead and choose one of their templates. And we're going to compare the page editors together to see which one's going to actually be more sufficient, because they both are pretty much similar to a certain degree. But they do have little differences that make them stand out from each other. Alright, so if we click on this one right here, let's go ahead and launch the builder. So I was putting the name, so I'm using the Kartra demo, and choose a category and click on create, and we'll go. We hit ClickFunnels, and we'll choose at least 10 templates as well. So let's go ahead and choose this template right here, and as you can see it's going to be creating the page, and so I'll click Photos, Account, click on Key Right, and we'll click on Add Page right here to access the ClickFunnels page. So let's look inside the page editor of Kartra as well. So we're inside the Kartra page, it's at the right, so let's go ahead and kind of go through some of the features. As you can see, Kartra pretty much works like this. So you have columns and you have components. So if we go to columns, we can hover over columns, and we can see all the columns inside of our page. Now if you want to actually add the elements inside of the columns, which are going to be called components inside of Kartra, you can click on components right here, and you can actually add all the individual components inside right here. If we go to ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels works kind of similar, but if you notice inside of our cart, we click on columns, we can actually only select the columns, and when we have column mode enabled. Now if we have components mode enabled, we can only actually hover over the elements inside of the columns. Now if we compare ClickFunnels over here, we find it's also similar to a certain degree. So they actually have rows, columns, and elements. So the green right here is going to be the rows, the blue is going to be the columns, and orange right here is going to be the elements. So these elements on some of the columns in the columns are going to be inside the rows, so it works similar at Kartra. Now ClickFunnels doesn't have like an elements mode or a column mode or a rows mode. So in Kartra has like a component mode or a column mode where you actually highlight the components, all the columns inside of your page editor, whereas ClickFunnels doesn't actually have that. So you actually then have the option to only hover over elements, columns, or rows, like you hover over all different things inside of ClickFunnels. That's one big major difference between their page editors. If we go back to Kartra and have a look at their settings right here, you can see right here, they'll be hacking out SEO parameters, tracking codes. We go over here and we go to sections. We can add sections, we can add like our favorite blocks. There's like a block template we want to save. We can go ahead and save that, but most importantly we can add like lots of different aspects. You know how sections your page, there's sort of questions about FAQ right here. So we can literally just add like pre-built sections into our squeeze page right here if we wanted to. And this is another difference between ClickFunnels and Kartra here. It's the fact that Kartra lets you build pre-built sections inside of the old pages. So you can have like pre-built pages that can have pre-built sections, such as download boxes for example, and have countdowns as pre-built sections. You can have, for example, call to actions. So if you have like a product, you can like literally just drag and drop this around here, and you have a pre-built section inside your squeeze page, and we can always go ahead and delete this. So let's click on delete, and if we go to sections, we can add a bunch of pre-built sections for you right off the bat. That's one big difference between Kartra and ClickFunnels. Now if we go to components right here, we can add lots of different components as well, and ClickFunnels and Kartra are the same in this regard, because we can add lots of different components and elements, is what they have in common in this regard. We can add columns, headlines, text, buttons, images, icons. We'd have a lot of different things we can add inside of Kartra to our pages. So these are going to be the pre-built sections like we have here. These are going to be their components. They're going to be inside of your columns, right? So if we go to ClickFunnels right here, we can do the same thing. So if we wanted to, we could go ahead, and if we go over here, we can add a new element, and we can choose a headline, subheadline, paragraph videos, images, buttons, and countdown timers as well. So as you can see, ClickFunnels has a lot of different countdown timers, and we can always click on settings and adjust this to change the theme. So we can make that yellow to match the page, and we can always go ahead and click on delete if we don't like that. But yeah, as you can see, this is the ClickFunnels page editor. We've compared that with Kartra's. So if we compare the integrations now, because the integrations are actually a bit different, because for example with ClickFunnels, and in regards to integrations with hover autoresponders, you can actually integrate ClickFunnels with other autoresponders. So if we go over here, you can integrate ClickFunnels with Aweber, MailChimp, Ontraport. But if we go over here with Kartra, we can't actually integrate any other third-party autoresponders, since Kartra has their own inbuilt email marketing tool inside of Kartra. Now this can be a pro as well, since you don't actually like paying any extra monthly recurring fee for any other autoresponder, since you get it for free inside of Kartra in their $99 a month plan. So if we go to my communications, this is going to be where you actually manage your email marketing inside of Kartra. So this is that email marketing tool inside of Kartra. They have really hard deliverability rates, so the email marketing tool is definitely amazing. Hell, if you really do have an established autoresponder and you don't want to switch, you can definitely integrate that within ClickFunnels. There's a big difference between both of the tools and the integrations in regards to autoresponders. Alright, so like we covered during the start of the video on, ClickFunnels is mainly a sales funnel builder, and you can also do email marketing and Actionetics, and leveraging their complete affiliate management system within Backpack. And Kartra is the same in this regard as I have done in my marketing software, as well have their completely for the invention system. They are also a sales funnel builder, that have their own video hosting as well, on top of all the stuff with free ClickFunnels. So they have Kartra Video, that Kartra Help uses, so that you don't need to get like a Zendesk or anything like that, because you get that own sort of Kartra Shopkeeper membership starts, and you can do the same with ClickFunnels. So both tools are very similar, but the big difference is their pricing. So you get all of this in Southern California $99 a month, whereas to get all of this inside of ClickFunnels, to get access to Actionetics, which is ClickFunnels email marketing tool, and to get access to Backpack, which is ClickFunnels affiliate major system, you need to pay $297 a month. So if we go to that pricing, ClickFunnels is $97 a month for their standard ClickFunnels plan just for ClickFunnels by itself, which will enable you to create sales funnels, and you can do a lot inside of ClickFunnels just off the $97 a month plan, without access to Actionetics and Backpacks. So again, to get access to ClickFunnels email marketing tool, and thereafter the Imagine system, you need to pay $297 a month, right? And for Kartra right here, you get all of this right off the bat for just $99 a month. So that's the big difference in pricing of Kartra. Obviously you get access to a lot more for $99 a month. If we go inside Kartra, you can build your products right here, and it'd be where you create your products on Kartra Shop. This is going to be your affiliate management dashboard inside of Kartra right here. Your email marketing under my communications. It gives away to me creating your pages. My form was my memberships, my videos, so this is the way you can be actually hosting videos inside of Kartra. So if you don't have to pay for like Vimeo or Wistar or anything like that, you get that for free inside of Kartra as well. My Calvins, which is actually a new feature inside of Kartra as well. We go to my help desk right here. This is pretty much going to be replacing this, so you don't need to integrate with Zendesk anything like that, because Kartra has you covered in this regard. So if you can support your customers using Kartra Desk, so Kartra does have a few more additional features than ClickFunnels in this regard. So they have the help desk, they have the calendar feature, they have their own video hosting. All of that being said, I want to give you a brief little summary for the pricing and what you get above each plan. So obviously where Kartra has a big pro is that it's truly an all-in-one solution, and it's for a cheaper price than ClickFunnels, so you can pay attention to the pricing. It's not bad, it's just I personally think it isn't as good as ClickFunnels, and I think ClickFunnels definitely exceeds in regards to their sales funnel building capabilities, and I think a con with ClickFunnels is that to get their email marketing platform, which is going to be Actionetics and Backpack, which is going to be there for the management system, you have to pay a lot more money. So if you're going to be making a decision strictly on price, and then I think you'll get more from Kartra. However, you should really test both platforms to see which one will be right for your business. So one more quick recap, guys. With ClickFunnels, you need to get the startup plan. It costs about $97 a month, and the Essence Way is about $297 a month. If you got Kartra, there's 5 different plans you can choose from. So they have the startup plan for $99 a month, the civil plan for $199 a month, the platinum plan for $499 a month. If you click over here, anyone see a different plan? They have 2 more additional plans, which is the gold for $299 a month, and the diamond from $690 a month. Now if you want to actually check out the pricing, and actually get a trial of either one of these tools, I've already links to both them down below. There'll be a couple links at the top of the video description, where you can get a trial for either ClickFunnels or Kartra or even both. So you can test out the platform to see which will be right for you. To conclude today's video, they're both amazing tools. Kartra's an amazing tool. ClickFunnels is an amazing tool as well. You can do so much in both tools, and honestly, you can say that if you choose either one of these tools, you're not going to be at a loss. They're both remarkable tools that you can use for your business. They're going to help you a lot, I can promise you that. Alright, now if you did gain a lot of value from this video, please make sure to leave a like to let me know that you actually gained value, and it would really help out the video if more people can actually see this video and can make an informed decision on whether or not ClickFunnels or Kartra is going to be right for them. Also make sure to subscribe for more videos and more content regarding online marketing and all that other stuff as well. And if you want to try out either one of the softwares, either ClickFunnels right here, or you want to try Kartra out, there will be links down below where you can get a trial for either one of these. Thanks for watching today's video and peace out.